Good day, dear friends. Today we are not going to have a cooking session, but as you can see, I have some greens lined up here in the tray. These are special greens. What is special about them is they are grown in hydroponic farm. So what is hydroponic farm? Hydroponic means literally water related. So these greens are grown not in the soil but in water. Our friend has one farm in the suburbs of Mumbai and he grows a lot of greens there. He has started growing recently. So he sent me some samples, and before I start, let me tell you, this is not a promotional video. He just has sent me some greens to try out because he knows I'm passionate about cooking. So I'm going to try out some recipes with these. Now next 2-3 days is going to be a marathon for me in the kitchen. I will try out some new recipes and definitely I shall share all the videos with all of you also. Now this hydroponic farm, this concept was started much earlier. I think about 2 decades ago also I heard about it, but it didn't catch up well. These days people are aware, they want to eat healthy food. They are choosing organic products, chemical free products, pesticide free vegetables. Their demand is there for these vegetables. So these farms have again started growing these vegetables in this healthy way. It's a very interesting concept, and I'm sure you all also will love to try out these. I think they are already available in the market. I've seen some in Nature's Basket, and even Big Basket has some, but I never thought of trying out any of these. So now that I have them here, I'm really excited to make something nice. Let's see, check out the freshness of the vegetables. My God, this is basil. Such lovely color and fragrance. I can't wait to make something out of it. Of course, I'll make pesto, then I'll dehydrate some and store it in the refrigerator. And here we have mint. So nice and fresh too. Lot of it. We'll try out some maybe mint pulao. Here we have lettuce. This will go into salads. Some spinach. I think we can make palak paneer with this. So I'm really can't wait to try out these fresh vegetables directly from the farm. So healthy. Thank you, Chandru and Vanita, for sending us these vegetables. So sweet of you. And maybe one day I would like to visit your farm to see and to show my viewers also how these vegetables are grown with this new technique. So right now I'm signing out because I want to rush to the kitchen. Maybe I'll try out one dish right away. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day, take good care of yourself. See you soon and stay tuned for new recipes.